Hello, my dear friends. I am Priyansu Raj. I am your mates. Today, I am present here to provide you the notes of chapter 1. That's name is electricity. My dear friends, now I provide you notes. It is my first phase, and in this phase, we have written the all formula that we have seen here. Electric cell is battery, key, wire crossing, bulb resistance, variable resistance, AC source, rheostat. And now some formulas based on electricity. Q equal to I into T, I equal to Q by T, Q equal to NE, V is equal to W by Q, and V equal to RY. And the formula for this is combination R resistance is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and for parallel combination 1 by R of resistance of parallel is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. And here our second formula R equal to rho Ly, and rho it is rho, and it is also known as resistivity, and H equal to I square into R into T, P equal to Vi, and V equal to I into R. My dear friends, these are all the formula, and from all the formula you can solve all the numericals of the chapter electricity. But you have to give the best command on your formulas. Now here notes are given as first what is we have studied about electricity, so we have to know about what is charge. Electric charge is defined as the amount of energy or electron passing from one body to another either by induction or any specific methods. Now types of charge, we know that how many types of charge. Here there are two types of charge, positive charge or negative charge. Positive charge, when number of electron is less than the number of proton, is called positive charge. Example, sodium. It has when we do the electronic configuration, we have seen that sodium have atomic number 11, and in its outermost shell there are one electron are left, so it's one electron it donate to other, therefore it consists negative charge, and therefore it consists negative because it donate the one electron, therefore sodium consists positive charge. Now second is negative charge, when the number of electron is more than the number of proton is called negative charge. For example, chlorine, and we know that the atomic number of chlorine is 17287, so it gain one electron, therefore it consists negative charge, Cl minus. Now characteristics of charge, like charge repel each other and unlike charge attract each other. And second is quantization of charge, integrate multiple of charge is called quantization of charge. It means that Q equal to Ne, where N equal to integer and E stand for electrons. Now conservation of charge, when total charge remain constant, charge is scalar quantity. It is an exceptional case because charge has a direction. Units of electric charge, the SI units of electric charge is coulomb. It is denoted by C. And now its definition is, what is 1 coulomb? 1 coulomb is the charge when a body contains 6.25 into 10 to the power 18 electrons. And its another definition is 1 coulomb of charge is that quantity of charge which flows through a circuit when 1 ampere of current flows through it in 1 second. Therefore Q equal to 1 coulomb and E equal to, and the number of electrons equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 90. Therefore Q equal to Ne, N equal to Q by, therefore 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, so N equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 18. It is the proof. Properties of electric charge, opposite charge unlike charge attract each other, similar charge repel each other. The electric charge is always conserved. Every charge is a multiple of charge of electrons, 1.6 into 10 to the 19 coulomb, that is Q equal to N into E. Now conductors, we know about conductors. Those substances in which electricity and heat can flow are called conductors. Its another definition is substance through which charge can easily pass are known as conductors. Example, all the metals like silver, gold, copper, etc. Now insulators, the substance in which electricity and heat cannot flow are called insulators. For example, paper, wood, plastic, etc. And now its term is classification of electricity. First one of them is static electricity. The electricity developed in objects when they are rubbed with each other is called static electricity. And second is current electricity. The electricity developed by motion of electrons is called current electricity. Electric current, and electric current is defined as the ordered motion of electric charge. Electric potential, they all are the definitions through which I can provide notes. So it is basic for the notes, for the concept of notes, so you can write must. Electric potential. The potential is defined as the amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point in electric field. It is denoted by the V. If W